Hi guys, it's Risa. How you doing? I hope you're doing well and that you're really enjoying this health journey. I know I am, and I'm learning all kinds of different recipes just like you. I love to experiment and I like to shake it up a bit because I get bored, right? And I'm sure you do too. And that's really key on our journey. Okay, so shaking it up a bit, making different things for yourself because, we want this to be interesting and we want this to be a lifestyle for our life. Okay, that's what it is. It's not a diet, people, it's about a lifestyle. So, continue subscribing, telling your people at Weight Watchers or anybody on a health journey to subscribe to my channel and visit me at Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa. Another thing that I want to tell you before I forget, all my recipes are written underneath the videos, okay? But who doesn't want to watch me? Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious, high protein, low carb. Well, it's a good carb and it's delicious, of course. I'm all about the deliciousness and something different. We have to shake things up. So we're going to make a coconut Thai. Yeah, coconut Thai. Doesn't that sound good? Bean salad, all right, with lots of veggies. So I'm going to teach you what I'm going to put in the salad part and then how to make my delicious dressing, okay? What I've done so far is I've taken about 4 cups, looks like over 4 cups, of all kinds of amazing vegetables, all right? I like to shop at Costco and Walmart or wherever because you get huge bags of things. And then it lasts for several days and you can make a huge amount of stuff. And I'm all about the huge amounts. This has broccoli, shredded carrots, cucumbers, red pepper, yellow pepper. Did I say broccoli? I can't remember. And some little snow peas. And I realized I had some little tomatoes, so I cut those up. Whatever you have and whatever veggie you enjoy, okay? So about 4 cups. A can of whatever beans you like. I found this at Walmart, and what I like about it, no salt added, and it's a 6-bean medley, so you get a variety of beans. Wash them off really well, okay? In nice cold water. Rinse them off. All right, now I also like some onion. I'm putting in about a 1/3 cup of some red onion. But if you like regular onion, green onion, Vidalia onion, or you don't like onion, don't put it in. Remember, all my recipes are a base and you can do what you want. This is what I'm doing. And I was thinking for some protein, some shrimp. I buy this at either Costco or Walmart, and it's almost 2 cups. And I saw that I had some leftover chicken meat from my barbecue chicken, so I'm going to throw that in. So you see, you can add whatever protein you want, okay? You have tofu, you have other stuff you want to put in, other kind of fish. You can add that. Or you can just leave it like this. You don't want any meat in it. You don't have to use meat in it. You can just keep it all vegetarian, okay? So that's going to be in the salad. Now for my dressing, I have this light coconut milk, okay? This is the brand that I have. And for 1/2 cup, it's 4 Smart Points, all right? And I just put it in a bowl first. And I just whisked it around in case there's a little bit of some lumps in it. You never know. And I found this coconut Thai seasoning at the Bulk Barn. But you can use whatever kind or brand that you can find. I just found it there. It smells so delicious. I've even found other kind of Thai seasonings in your grocery store, and this one I even found at the dollar store. So You can use whatever seasoning. I'm just pointing this out. I'm going to use the one from the Bulk Barn, but you can use whatever kind you want. The other thing is I want a little bit more coconut taste. If you don't like coconut tasting flavors, blah, 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 you don't have to use it. But I found this balsamic vinegar, just about a teaspoon I'm going to put in. But you can also find just coconut flavoring at the bulk stores too. I don't know what's with me today. I can't talk. But you get it. You understand. So you could use some of that as well, and a bit of salt and pepper. What I like to do with the sauce is I like to also just microwave it a little bit so it blends really well. So let's make the sauce and then we'll get to the salad. So I'm going to measure out a half a cup of the coconut milk. And I'm just going to put it in a measuring in here because I can't microwave it with this. And I'm going to use a tablespoon of the Thai seasoning. And I'm going to use about a teaspoon. I'm going to try a half a teaspoon. I don't need so much of the coconut. Just a little bit. I don't want so much. It's very strong. So if you buy like an extract, just use a little bit. Take your whisk it up, and I'm just going to microwave it for about a minute. All right, let's get to our delicious salad. So I'm just going to throw in my veggies. And this is going to make quite a bit. If you don't want so much, you can do less, obviously. The cup of the beans. And my yummy onion. And I'm just going to mix that up. Just make sure you can see it. It's so colorful and beautiful. And what I love about this is I've made enough for several days. This is going to be my lunch for several days. But again, if you want to have it for dinner, you can have it for dinner too. Or after a good workout, this would be delicious as well. And I'm going to just throw in my shrimp. And because I had leftover chicken, I'm just throwing that in too. You have to use up what's in your house. You want more shrimp, you can add more shrimp. You want more chicken, you could add more chicken. Again, it's a base. I'm going to just put a pinch of salt in and some pepper. If you want to add a little bit of some lime juice to it, that would be delicious. And I'm just going to stir this up. And taste it. Yum. It's really good. So you taste it. If you feel like you need other seasonings in it, you can add other things to it as well, all right? I just want to make sure you can see. And I'm just going to pour this over. Mix it up. If you think that you need more dressing, you can make extra dressing. And you just might. I'm going to taste it and see. I really like it. Whew, that Thai seasoning's a little spicy. And you could add some hot sauce to it, whatever you want to make it a little bit more spicy if you like spicy. If you want afterwards, you could add some seeds to it. Again, I told you it's just a base. And if you feel like you need, like I said, more sauce to it, you like a different sauce to put on it, you can do that. And that's it. So I just want to show you. This is super delicious. If you want, I have these really cute jars that I bought at the dollar store, and you can just load it up and have it all ready for work. Or if you're at home, you just have it all ready in these cute bowls. But it's really cute when you take them to work like this. I have it for my overnight oats as well. And you have it like that. And that looks really cute too. It's cute presentation. If you have company over, it's really delicious. So I hope you love this recipe, and you continue to comment and subscribe and like and post pictures of what you've made so I can see what you've made from the things that I've made. And that's it, guys. So take care, love you, and stay on this journey together, okay? Bye for now.